Are you ready to make your Christmas tree stand out this year? Ribbons are the secret weapon of pro decorators. From rustic elegance to glamorous glam, I'm about to show you stunning ways to incorporate ribbon into your holiday tree decor. Ready to transform your tree? Let's get started. Why use ribbons on your Christmas tree? Adding ribbons can completely elevate your Christmas tree's look, adding elegance, texture, and color that ornaments alone can't provide. Ribbons add depth and dimension, making your tree look fuller and more luxurious. They allow you to showcase a specific theme, whether rustic, modern, or classic. Ribbons create cohesion by tying together the colors and styles of ornaments, lights, and other decorations. Enjoying these decorating tips? Make sure to like and share this video with others looking for holiday inspiration. What types of ribbon are best for Christmas trees? The type of ribbon you choose can set the tone for your entire tree. There are several types of ribbon to consider, each adding a unique look. Wired ribbons are ideal because they hold shape well, allowing you to create elegant loops or cascading effects. Sheer and satin ribbons add a touch of sparkle and elegance, perfect for glamorous or minimalist designs. Burlap or natural fiber ribbons offer a rustic, cozy feel that pairs beautifully with traditional and farmhouse-style trees. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite type of ribbon for holiday decor? What are some creative ways to position ribbons on a Christmas tree? There are multiple creative ways to place ribbons on your tree to achieve different effects, from structured to whimsical. The waterfall technique involves cascading the ribbon from the top down, creating a grand, flowing effect. A spiral wrap technique involves wrapping the ribbon around the tree in a continuous spiral, giving a more classic, unified look. For a unique, whimsical approach, try cutting ribbons into smaller pieces and tucking them into the branches for a burst effect. Don't miss out on more creative decor tips. Subscribe now for upcoming holiday ideas. How can you use ribbon to add volume to your tree? Ribbons are a great way to add volume, creating a lush and full appearance without needing a lot of extra ornaments. Layering different widths of ribbon, like a wider base ribbon with a narrower one on top, creates visual depth and richness. Weaving or zigzagging ribbons through the branches rather than wrapping around adds depth and fullness to your tree. Use cascading ribbons that flow from the top to the base, giving a waterfall effect that adds height and volume. Save this video to your holiday playlist so you can revisit these tips while decorating. How do you choose the right ribbon colors for your theme? Selecting the right colors can amplify your tree's theme, setting the mood and blending well with other decorations in your space. Traditional red, green, and gold ribbons bring warmth and classic holiday spirit, perfect for a timeless look. For a winter wonderland vibe, consider silver, white, and icy blue ribbons that evoke a frosty elegance. Bold colors like jewel tones or black and gold work well for a more modern, dramatic theme. For more ideas on holiday color palettes, check the description for similar videos. How do you secure ribbons to the tree for a polished look? Properly securing your ribbons is essential for keeping your design intact throughout the holiday season. Use wire or twist ties to secure wired ribbons to branches, ensuring they hold their shape. Tuck the ends of the ribbon deep into the tree branches to hide any loose ends and create a seamless flow. For a polished touch, consider adding floral wire to attach smaller accents like bows at the end of each ribbon. Curious about the products featured in this video? Check the description for direct links. How can you use ribbon to create a rustic or farmhouse-style Christmas tree? Rustic and farmhouse styles are perfect for creating a cozy, homey holiday vibe. Here are some ribbon ideas that add a touch of rustic charm to your Christmas tree. Burlap ribbon garland. Use wide burlap ribbon as a garland, wrapping it around the tree in a loose, draped style. The natural texture and neutral color of burlap add a farmhouse feel that's warm and inviting. Plaid and gingham bows. Make small bows using plaid or gingham ribbon and place them throughout the tree. The classic patterns add a rustic touch and bring a cozy, nostalgic look to your Christmas decor. Twine and ribbon combo. Combine rustic twine with thin strips of ribbon in earth tones. Drape them together throughout the tree for a textured, layered look that complements a farmhouse theme. Which rustic ribbon style do you love the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to check out the description for more farmhouse-inspired decor ideas. How can you make your Christmas tree look luxurious with ribbon? If you want to give your Christmas tree a more luxurious, high-end look, the right ribbon choices can add that extra touch of elegance. Here's how to make your tree look like it belongs in a winter wonderland. Double ribbon weave. Use two complementary ribbons, like a velvet ribbon and a metallic one, and weave them together around the tree. This layered effect adds depth, richness, and a touch of luxury to your decor. Floor-length ribbon tails. Start with a large, glamorous bow at the top of the tree and let the ribbon tails cascade all the way down to the floor. This creates a grand, elegant look that elongates the tree and makes it look extra luxurious. Metallic accents. Choose ribbons with metallic finishes, like gold or silver, and weave them into the tree branches. The reflective quality adds shimmer and makes your tree sparkle under the holiday lights. If you're aiming for that luxurious look this season, Give this video a like and check out the description for links to some of my favorite high-end ribbons. From the classic elegance of cascading ribbons to the bold statements of a spiral wrap, decorating with ribbons brings your Christmas tree to a new level of holiday magic. Thanks for joining me on this ribbon journey. With these techniques, your tree is bound to be the highlight of the season. Make sure to try these out and share your results.